Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, check that your smartphone supports video calling and has a camera and microphone. Ensure you have a stable 4G, 5G, or Wi-Fi 5 connection before you begin. Open your chosen app and grant camera and microphone permissions when prompted. Sign in with your account or create one using an email address. Confirm your battery is above 20% or plug the phone into power. Position the camera at eye level and clean the lens for a clear image. Open your video calling app and locate the contact you want to call. Tap the video icon to initiate a video call and wait for the other person to answer. Switch to the front camera for face view and use the rear camera when you need to show something specific. Mute your microphone when not speaking to reduce background noise for the other person. Use headphones or the phone speaker at a moderate volume to prevent echo or feedback during the conversation. If video or audio lags, move closer, within 3 meters of your Wi-Fi router, or switch to cellular data. Restart the app or your phone and update the app if problems persist after reconnecting. Check camera and microphone permissions again if the app cannot access them. Keep your background neutral and avoid bright backlight to maintain clear visibility. Mute when appropriate and avoid multitasking to show respect. End the call politely and confirm any follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.